All right, guys, you ready to dive in? This is going to be all about profit today. Okay, just got done recording about a 40-minute video to show you guys my full exit strategy. Obviously, as you can tell from the length of this video, that's not going to be presented here. This is in our membership. I'll show you guys at the end of the video. I want to talk about today profit. The analysis that we've had in our website, on our membership, guys, we said that January 28th was most likely going to be the bottom of cryptocurrency, and we were going to see it move back up from there, and it was going to be a massive movement. It's going to start. That is what is happening. The 28th was right here. Moving into the 28th, we were expecting to see the low, and then from the 28th, we were showing, based off of 5,000 data points, predicting the entire year into the future, starting on January 1st. Okay, we were expecting an uptrend to start on the 29th of January and go into February and even into March. Okay, you can actually access all that. Let me show this real quick. TradeConfident.io. Go to the future forecast. I'm going to whiteboard here in a second, so hold on. Nobody leave yet. Go over here. You can download the charts that we have. These are all the predictive price models. We are following mainly this price model down here, which is the 11-year and the 4-year cycle. All right. Now, let me get in some teaching here, guys. Here's what I talked about this morning. And again, I'll show you at the end if you guys want to get into this. There are many cycles that you guys are going to be able to follow this round in cryptocurrency. One of them obviously is blue chips. Bitcoin's got a natural cycle. You get the halving event, and if you simply just go 1 year into the future and you go into November and December, you basically reach the peak of every single top in Bitcoin. It's very simple. Go to the halving event, go to the halving event, go to the halving event, go 1 year in the future and go into November and December, and you basically can predict the peak of Bitcoin every single time. This is not uncommon. If you guys are new to crypto, you may not realize this, but this is pretty easy. Now, here's what I'm interested in. Bitcoin's going to do well. Ethereum's going to do well. But I'm interested in this thing called altcoins because I know from a study that altcoins every cycle have outperformed Ethereum. And guess what has outperformed Bitcoin? Ethereum. Altcoins outperform Ethereum. Ethereum outperforms Bitcoin literally in every single cycle. So what have we done? Over the last 60 days, we have sold all of our Bitcoin, we've sold all of our Ethereum, and we have transitioned all of our funds into altcoins. This is one of the best decisions we have made to date because we ended up transferring a lot of this when XRP and XLM were quite low, like under $2 for XRP, and we've seen that appreciate quite a bit. Here's what I want to talk about today, and we'll do this in the membership. It is all about profit, guys. I've shown this to you guys before. We are going to show you guys the free indicator that we're going to set up, which this indicator is going to be used to actually scale out of the altcoin market. Apologies, guys. I've been trying to get over this cough. It is literally taking me forever, but I thank you guys for bearing with me. The indicator we're using, guys, has predicted the peaks of past altcoin cycles. I'm telling you guys literally the top cycles where if you did not exit at the top of these cycles, you were experiencing a 70 to 80% drawdown in your altcoin portfolios if you did not exit at the peaks. Okay, I'm giving you guys this indicator today on our website, tradeconfident.io, in our membership. Again, I'll talk about that at the end of this. Once I show you guys this chart, you're going to understand why we are getting ready for our first scale out in February and March. There's a specific date. There is a big elephant in the room also that we've been talking about, which is the SPY, interest rates. I know this is terrible. I apologize. I'm terrible handwriting. Interest rates as well as the yield curve. The yield curve and interest rates are going through a period right now that we have never seen happen in the cycles of Bitcoin before. Every cycle of Bitcoin going into its bull markets, which was 2017, this is 2021, and even we can look at 2013, interest rates were either flat or they were increasing into the bull market. In 2025, let me get myself more room over here. In 2025, do you guys realize going into this bullish year, we actually have interest rates, let me go like this, interest rates are decreasing, and the yield curve is actually coming inverted for the first time that you guys have been in cryptocurrency. The first time. Do you guys know that interest rates going down and the yield curve coming inverted has ushered in stock market crashes upwards of 45 to 60%? And Bitcoin is actually followed. And this is present on the charts right now. This is why the last video I did on YouTube here, I said, guys, we may not actually see the bull market fully extend and have its full potential in 25. And I'm throwing this out there. We may see a bull market extended into 2026, potentially. It's the first time that we have actually seen this happen. Okay? And this is what we talked about in the live Zoom call yesterday at 2 p.m. All right, let me bring this all together. The study that we did, the masterclass we did on this, if you guys want to see this data that I haven't seen anyone pull together on YouTube here, nobody. I'm not trying to just say, oh, buy this membership and all that. Genuinely, I've not seen anyone do this data here and pinpoint it to a specific date and correlate it to FOMC meetings. Go to tradeconfident.io. This is the site here. Click on Inner Circle and just watch the first 20 minutes of the Inner Circle that we did yesterday. I go over all the charts to show this to you guys. And then on top of that, we devise a risk management plan of how we're going to actually weather this storm if cryptocurrency crashes because of the inverted yield curve that we see on the stock market, which I'll show you guys a quick glimpse of it over here, right here. This is the first time in the bullish cycle that interest rates are going down, yield curve is increasing. And this usually ushers in 43% drops, 57% drop, 29% drop. Okay? This is really important, guys. And a lot of people I think are like closing one eye, like I said in the YouTube video yesterday, and they're like, oh, it's not going to happen. I'm just going to stay bullish. Look, I'll cover the bullish sentiment today. I'll cover the bullishness in the future forecast. So go to future forecast and I'll cover that today. And then I'm going to show you guys how to get money on a ledger, show you guys kind of the steps to get money off of Coinbase onto a ledger, give you guys the downloads to everything I use and so on and so forth. And we're going to go over a masterclass today on where XRP can actually hit for its peak prices this cycle. That's all just recorded and this is done. You guys can watch this. But today is all about profits. And then the Inner Circle that we did yesterday is about getting you guys ready for this potential crash that not a lot of people are looking at. They're so gung-ho, guys, about crypto's in a bull market, it's going to go up. But I feel like nobody's even looking at this data that says every time interest rates have decreased, since back here of 2000, every time interest rates have decreased, the yield curve has come inverted, the stock market has crashed and Bitcoin has crashed with it. It's happening right now and everybody's bullish. So keep watching bullish videos today on YouTube. I'm just trying to take a stance today and show you guys a full masterclass in that Inner Circle of why I'm actually a little nervous about this, and then actually start to work on devising a plan of how we're going to go through this with good risk management. So watch this first. Watch the Inner Circle first, which is right here. Here it is, guys. January 3rd. Watch this. The first 20 minutes. That's it. Then go over to the future forecast and watch January 31st, which is today, and I break down the bullish side. So I'm going to cover the bearish with risk management and then the bullish side and show you guys why I expect our portfolios to go over 100%, over double by March with actual solid data and multiple coin analysis. Okay? A lot of data comprised today. This is probably one of the best videos you guys can watch going into the weekend. It's raining where I'm at. Go to a coffee shop, watch these two videos. The full length is 20 minutes plus maybe 34 minutes. You've got about 50 minutes here of a full bearish scenario with risk management and a case for why this market is going to rip based off much data and cyclical data from over 5,000 data points we have on our Bitcoin predictive algorithm. Okay? Watch this and I think you guys are going to be really blessed by this. This is my full strategy to retire in 2025 with the altcoins in the portfolio that I have. Everything's linked in the description. There's an emoji there. I'll see you guys in the future forecast in the Inner Circle. And let me know if you guys have any questions. Email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com. We'll answer any questions you guys have. All right, I'm going to end this here. Give you guys a pop-up. The membership's in the description. Watch it and let us know if you have any questions by emailing in. I love you guys. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.